Hi everyone, I'm Rowan Hunt, a denim consultant, and I'm lucky enough and excited to have Bossa and Strom here with me today, talking through a new collaboration they're going to share. But before we get on to that, would you guys like to introduce yourself? Maybe Barish, do you want to start?
Yeah, we are Strom as a garment maker based in Istanbul. We are fully vertical garment maker. We have our own laundry and factory based in Istanbul. And in that sustainability part, we are almost working for 4 years with some well-known sustainable brands in the US and Europe. I think that's enough.
Yeah, that's good. Basim?
Hi, this is Basim. I am the Strategy and Business Development of Director of Bossa. I am in the textile industry more than 25 years, and for the last 14 years, I'm working for Bossa. So that's me. And the Bossa is one of the most well-known denim companies in Europe. Yeah, we are in the industry over 70 years.
Wow. Wow. Okay, so I think let's jump straight in. So ECO3 is your new collaboration that you've been working on. I guess I'll pass it over to you guys to tell us what it is and what it's all about.
Actually, may I start first?
Yeah,
about 2 years ago, some of our customers told us that, hey guys, we are using your fabrics, but there is a challenge. The challenge was that during the ozone application, our fabrics may lose tenacity. For example, the first tenacity was okay, but after heavy ozone washings, after 60 degrees, 75 degrees, the tenacity get lost. Or sometimes the elasticity get lost. So it was a challenge. They told us that, and for the last 2 years, we were working on that. We decided, we developed a special technology which prevents the tenacity tenacity losses. And we applied 3 patents about this technology as well. And after developing all the technology and applying for the patent, we decided to scale it up because we need the fabric producing a garment laundry partner for this technology, and Strom is one of the leading denim laundries in Turkey and maybe in the Europe as well, and they are very well known with the sustainability solutions. So we decided to go on with the Strom for this technology. We are the Bossa, we are the fabric designer, fabric producer, they are the laundries.
Okay. For Strom side, at the beginning of our sustainability story, we tried our bestseller fabrics to wash in our collection because we know those fabrics reactions in normal wash recipes to compare with the sustainable wash recipes. We realized that different compositions, constructions, and dyeing techniques in the fabrics are having huge differences in outcome. Therefore, we saw that we need to work with a fabric mill to find the best match with sustainable wash recipes. So we already had some progress with Bossa for some sustainable brands at that time. So we agreed with Bossa to work in a special concept as ECO3. That was the reason of our collaboration with Bossa.
Okay, amazing. So I guess starting at the beginning, there's a lot of innovations done into the fabrics and making sure it's future-proof to the new technologies, because lasers, ozones, they've been around, but they're becoming more, you know, you were saying, like there's more massive appeal and we're using them more. So the fabrics have to be done in a different way. So I know one of the things that you had on here was a laser-friendly fabrics. So it's quite interesting to see how can it, you know, from a hand brushing to a laser, it's very, very different. So how have you made these fabrics, like, I guess, more laser friendly to get sustainable washing or responsible washing?
Actually, all the details are mentioned in our patent. Hopefully within 2 years, when it's approved, we are going to see every detail of that. Anyhow, it's not a top secret of the universe. So what we had done is we had developed several processing, dyeing processes in our factory. That's gonna help provide effect easier, scrapping easier. So it's laser friendly, and at the same time it's ozone friendly, because during the ozone application, because ozone is very unstable gas, it may affect the cellulose part of the denim badly. So we develop a good a technology which is going to stop that. And at the end of the day, most important thing, the fabric is still brighter blue. So
Yeah.
it's bright blue, color is wonderful, it's ozone friendly, laser friendly, and so from now on is Barish work to make a enormous garment out of that.
I was about to say, actually, you've done all your work, so now you can pass it on, and now Barish has got to do it and make the garments look good, right? So over to you, Barish. You tell us, how do you make it look good?
Actually, when we started to work in this field, our first goal was making a green product. Means that reducing water and energy consumption, less workmanship, using ecological chemicals, non-toxic materials. But after getting first trials, we realized that we would have another challenge. We had to achieve the same outcome as the products we did in a traditional wash methods. But for first trials, outcome was boring, grayish, not bright blue. It was far away from the washes we get with the traditional wash recipes. Just to give you a small example, when you cancel PP spray and use only laser, we see it's not reacting good as PP spray in some fabrics. Or when we cancel hypo bleaching, we try to use ozone machine to bleach the color, then we had some fabric strength issues or color abrasion problems. Therefore, we realized that we need to have a big cooperation with all parts in the industry. We are working together with our solution partners to find the best for the future in sustainability. So we worked in the project together with chemical companies, matching companies, and fabric suppliers. As ECO3, we are partnered with Bossa, and we are trying to develop perfect fabrics matching with sustainability, washing techniques. We have a chance to offer best look and performance for the sustainable products. We have to come closer to the authentic and vintage look, which we get with normal wash recipes. Because in the end, we have to offer sellable products to our clients besides sustainability. Products must be matching with clients' DNA and directions.
That's great. That's great. And what you mentioned at the start, boring and grey, this is a lot of the industry and a lot of the hurdles that you have to come across, the greying off or the indigo. And I guess that works from the fabric side up, right? So then if you've got too many sulfurs or whatever, it's going to grey off as it goes through. But actually, you guys are working collaboration to prep it from the start all the way through. So I guess in the laundry part, there's a lot of trials, a lot of, you can't get it overnight for sure. It takes years and years. So is there anything you could, maybe share, maybe any lessons learned or anything you'd like to share? Don't disclose too much, but obviously share with the audience watching.
Actually, that was the answer to the previous question as well, because what we learned is to achieve the same results like we did with the normal recipes. That was we faced problem catching the same line what we did in the normal wash recipes. That was our main goal, to catch the similar line, because when you show the products to the customer, they say that okay, it's a green product, but it's not good to sell in the shops. So they need to catch the similar vintage look or authentic look to sell, to replace with their non-sustainable products. So at each step, we have to watch the results. Is it good or not? Still a way to go to improve the wash level, because even you have good results and green products, sometimes the outcome is not good enough to convince customers to put into their collection. That was our problem since start, but now the industry is going well, and all the time we are having new chemicals, new machineries, etc. So we are getting better. So we are far away from the beginning right now.
Okay, amazing. And then can I just ask on the measuring side, how do you kind of measure, because obviously water is a big thing that everyone's discussing as well, and using things like, ozone and not bleaching and things like this are saving water. So is there any kind of numbers that you've got, like you've been saving? Because, the idea is to be more sustainable, but with this comes savings as well.
Actually, it depends on the wash level you want. But right now, with the ozone laser usage, you know, we are reducing almost 70–80% the water consumption. And also we are also saving many manual processes like hand blasting, you know, and also whiskers, etc. with the laser. And also the chemicals we are using are biodegradable or eco-friendly. So that's also a good part of this process.
Amazing, amazing. So Bezim, I guess back to fabrics, we looked at dyeing, we looked at how we can discharge it, but what other kind of fibers or maybe dye techniques or dyes are you doing at Bossa that you'd maybe like to share?
For the time being, the most sustainable solution should be the recycle. And this fabric is going to be suitable for the recycling processes as well. Maybe you are already aware that normally the recycling fiber you are using a lower tenacity cotton. So the tenacity of the original fiber and the recycled content could not be the same at the same time. So we are doing our best to provide a recycled fabric which is gonna be ozone friendly and laser friendly. So it's another challenge at the moment, and hopefully we are gonna achieve that as soon as possible. And all these, hopefully our aim is all ECO3 goods is the fiber side and the fabric side is gonna be sustainable as well. So it's our next challenge in the future.
Wow. Yeah, that's another hurdle to come in. It goes all the way through to the laundry. Wow, it's amazing stuff that you guys are doing. I guess you know, if people want to find out more about this, you know, where should they reach out to contact you? You know, should it be directly or the website?
Actually, if in the normal days, if we are going to have an not an online camping, it is going to be a real camping Amsterdam. Yeah, they were able. Yeah, they were able to see it without any problem. But Bossa has got these goods in the collection, and most probably within the new collection after the campings in April, we are going to promote this new technology to the world and to our customers. Hopefully, they are going to see starting from April.
Wow. Okay, Barish.
We also have our own office in London and also New York, and also we have contact in LA as well. You know, traveling is banned for a while, so and everything back to normal. Some of our clients already sending their stuff to our laundry to educate them, to teach how is the sustainability. So we are also helping our clients. What we are doing, also we are showing the normal methods and the difference. So they can reach out from our website or Instagram, whatever, and also through our office on our website. When everything back to normal, we look forward to see all our
clients. We can have meetings and meet each other
to share our knowledge.
Yeah, so I guess that's a good point to finish. Thank you so much for you two for sharing as much as you have, and I look forward to seeing you guys in person, hopefully at the show soon. Maybe in December, I hear. Maybe that would be the first one. Hopefully, let's see.
Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully.
Okay.
Thanks for the
take
time.
care, guys.
Thanks a lot.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.